In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export data from Tradingview, a process that can be incredibly useful for those looking to analyze data in more detail or integrate it into other applications. Let's dive in. First, open your web browser and navigate to Tradingview's website at tradingview.com. Make sure you're signed into your account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create an account. Once logged in, go to the chart section. This is where all the magic happens. Familiarize yourself with the layout and look for the Manage Layouts option, typically found near the top of the screen. Click on it to access various settings related to your saved or active charts. Next, find the Export Chart Data option. This feature allows you to export data from the chart you have open. Click on it and a menu or window will appear for customizing your export. Here, you'll select the specific chart you want to export. It's like choosing a slice of the data universe to take with you. So ensure you have the right chart selected, as this will determine the data that gets exported. After selecting your chart, choose the desired time format, which dictates how time is represented in your exported data. Whether you need daily, weekly, or another format, select the one that best aligns with your needs. Accurate time representation is crucial for consistent data evaluation. Once you've chosen your chart and time format, proceed by clicking Export. This will initiate the export process. However, keep in mind that this feature requires a premium subscription on Tradingview. If you're not already on a premium plan, you'll be prompted to upgrade, so be prepared for this requirement to avoid any interruptions. And that's the complete process of how to export data from Tradingview. It's straightforward once you're familiar with the platform. Just ensure you have a premium subscription to access this feature. With this knowledge, you can now explore and analyze your data more efficiently outside of Tradingview. Happy analyzing!